Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily upgrade your fish pond storage in Abyss Roblox. So if you're running out of room for your rare catches, the fish pond is the best place to store your favorite finds, but that basic storage fill up fast. So in here, I'm going to show you exactly where to go to expand your pond storage. So what you need to do is just go to, teleport to the fish pond, and once you're here, you can just find the upgrade store. This one, you can find a Bobert NPC, interact with him, and then you can just click on yes to open the upgrades. So there are three options. If you want to upgrade your fish capacity, you can just click on this, but if you want to upgrade your raw storage, you can click on this one. So let's say I'm going to just update this one in here, the storage. Click on upgrade, and now my fish pond storage has been updated. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.